get along or on with someone. I get along with all my colleagues. She doesn't get on with her sister. Do you get on well with your neighbors?
Run into. I ran into my supervisor at the restaurant. She ran into an old friend while traveling in Melbourne. Guess who I ran into today?
The ball is in someone's court. I've done all I can at this stage. The ball is in your court. We offered our best price, so the ball is in their court.
Compromise. They compromised to resolve the disagreement. He was willing to compromise to keep the peace. We reached a compromise after hours of negotiation.
Lend a hand. Do you usually lend a hand without being asked, or do you wait? In a good relationship, people lend each other a hand when things get tough.
Catch up. It's nice to catch up with old friends and hear what they've been doing. Let's grab a coffee and catch up this weekend.
A blessing in disguise. Failing the test was frustrating at first, but it turned out to be a blessing in disguise. It pushed me to study harder.
Empathy. Showing empathy improves relationships. Sometimes all we need is empathy, not advice. The counselor responded with empathy and understanding.
Reach out. He reached out when he heard she was going through a difficult time. Please reach out if you have any questions. She reached out to her teacher for advice.
Bury the hatchet. The two sisters finally buried the hatchet and started talking again. It's time to bury the hatchet and move on.
See eye to eye. At first, the manager and the employee didn't see eye to eye, but later they reached an agreement. They see eye to eye on most things, especially about how to raise their children.
Get together. How about we get together this Arvo for a Barbie? My family gets together every Christmas. We usually get together with friends on Fridays.
Hit it off. I was nervous about the party, but I hit it off with a few people there. We hit it off the first time we met. The two students hit it off right away on the first day of class.
Keep in touch. I still keep in touch with my high school friends. It's hard to keep in touch when everyone is busy. Please keep in touch and share your news with me.
On good terms. It's important to stay on good terms with your family. They broke up, but they're on good terms. I'm still on good terms with my old boss.
Make amends. She made amends for being rude. He bought her flowers to make amends. I want to make amends for what I said.
Rapport. There is strong rapport between the teacher and the students. He quickly built rapport with his new colleagues.
Fall out. They fell out over a misunderstanding. She fell out with her sister after a disagreement. He fell out with his friend over money.
Mend fences. They met to mend fences after their argument. She tried to mend fences with her friend. It's time to mend fences and move on.
Break the ice. He told a joke to break the ice. The teacher used a game to break the ice. Someone needs to break the ice. It's so quiet in here.
Be there for someone. Even though we live far apart, we're always there for each other. He said he'd be there for me no matter what.
Meet someone halfway. She didn't fully agree, but she still met him halfway, so things stayed friendly. The company and the workers had to meet halfway to end the strike.
Have a lot in common. We get along really well because we have a lot in common. Even though they're different ages, they have a lot in common.
Go way back. She and I go way back, so I trust her a lot. We go way back. We've known each other since school. Those two go way back. They're basically like family.
On the same page. We had a quick meeting to get everyone on the same page. Once we talked it through, we were finally on the same page.
Hold a grudge. It's better to forgive than hold a grudge. She's still holding a grudge against her friend because she lied to her.
Hang out. We didn't do much, we just hung out and talked. Let's hang out this afternoon if you're free. Do you want to hang out this weekend?
Give someone the cold shoulder. He's been giving her the cold shoulder since their argument. I don't know why you're giving me the cold shoulder.
Take someone or something for granted. I used to take my family for granted before I lived alone. We often take what we have for granted until we lose it.
Drift apart. It's sad how people can drift apart over time. Friends sometimes drift apart when life gets busy. We didn't argue, we just drifted apart.